This is Tanya from Mind, Body, and Soul Company, Bath and Beauty, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a lemon poppy seed shea butter soap. What you'll need is a rectangular mold. This is an Ozark one from Amazon. Your shea butter, which you're going to want about 15 ounces because we're going to make 3 soaps. 1.5 teaspoons of poppy seed, the equivalent of about 120 drops of lemon essential oil, and then whatever you're going to use for your colorant. So first I'm going to go ahead and melt the shea butter soap. You just melt it in 30-second increments until it is completely melted. So I will melt that and be right back. Okay. Now that we have our shea butter completely melted, you do want to let it cool just a little bit. That way you don't end up burning off your fragrance. So this has started to cool down. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my fragrance, my poppy seeds, and my colorant, and we'll kind of go from there. I'm going to start off with the colorant, and you just put in however much you want, depending on the color you're looking for. For this one, since we're doing 3 bars, I'm going to do about 10 drops first and see where that gets me. I'm only wanting it to be kind of a soft yellow, and then if it's not dark enough, then I will just add in some more. Give that a good stir. I'm thinking I'll probably want to put in 4 or 5 more drops. Maybe not. We'll see. And that's part of the thing with soap making. It's you kind of just have to make some adjustments while you go till you see what you like. It's always better to put in less first, since you cannot take the color back out. Just about 4 more drops and then I'll be good. Excuse me there. All right, and give that another good stir. That is looking good. We got it all mixed in. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in our fragrance. As I said, this since we're doing 3 soaps, this is the equivalent of about 120 drops. Depending on how you like your soaps, you can either add in more or less. You do want to make sure you're not adding in too much essential oil so that it doesn't irritate your skin. Go. I got all of that in there, and this is going to make for a very nice, refreshing, summery kind of scent. And then with the poppy seeds in it, it's also going to act as an exfoliator. We're not using a lot of poppy seeds, so it'll be a pretty gentle exfoliator. So then I'm going to go ahead and pour in my 1.5 teaspoons of the poppy seeds, and then give that a good stir. Now the thing about using something like poppy seeds is they are somewhat heavy. So you do need to kind of stir and get it to a temperature where the poppy seeds are going to be suspended in the soap. That way they don't completely sink down to the bottom. That's usually, you want to be around, I'd say 120 to 125 degrees, or you can just keep stirring. You'll notice when it starts to get thicker, and when you can see the seeds start staying more near the top, then you know you're getting close to the temperature. There's kind of a look at it so you can see. And then I'm just going to stir it a little more here till we get where we want to be. This soap is great for you in the shower, or it's pretty easy with melt and pour. It's a nice thing that you can share with your family and friends if you are going to be making soap for someone other than yourself. You do always want to be wearing gloves just because it's more sanitary that way. Plus it protects your skin. I think we're getting close here. There it is again, just so you can see. All right, I think we're good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into our mold, and then we will spritz the top with a little bit of rubbing alcohol that just gets rid of any air bubbles that we may have gotten, and then we'll let it set up. All right, I think we are in a good spot. I'm gonna go ahead and pour. It's looking pretty good there. And you can see just where at the bottom of this even, there's a little bit of poppy seeds hanging out there. Oops, dribbled a little bit, but that is okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and spritz it with the alcohol to get rid of the air bubbles. The alcohol just evaporates out. It's not gonna do anything to your soap, but it will pop all those bubbles and make it a little prettier. All right, so we got that all set up, and I'm gonna go ahead and we'll come back once they are ready to pop out of the mold. All right, so the soap is set up, so we're gonna go ahead and pop it out of the mold. You can see this will be the bottom of the soap. It looks nice. It has some poppy seeds going throughout. Now, when we pop them out, there is going to be a greater concentration of poppy seeds on the top, just because, as I said, they are heavy, so they will settle into the soap. You can, if you don't like that, you can just try to let it cool a little more and suspend a little better. See, there is the soap. And that'll get rid of some of it, but anytime you do these, they are gonna settle some. Here's another one. You can see has that nice yellow color, and the poppy seeds do go throughout. And it smells nice and fresh and lemony. Here's our last one. So I do hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on the lemon poppy seed shea butter soap. I do plan to make some more of these. You can check me out on Etsy for some of my other products. It's Mind, Body, and Soul Company if you search on Etsy. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.